Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Alright, get 3 cups of watermelon, cut the watermelon into pieces and freeze it. Chuck in, I don't know, some lime juice, a tablespoon or a fresh lime, and a cup of yogurt of your choice. I'm using vanilla bean yogurt for that added yumminess. Get the mixture and pour it into whatever molds you have. Perfect. Yep. Oh, mama. Now just pop this in the freezer. 2 to 4 hours. Should be plenty. Yum, 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 yum. Good.
Yummy.
Okay, and yummy.
I'll see you next time in my next take.